During a lecture, you have to listen, understand what the lecturer is saying, and take notes. These notes should help you remember the subject matter better. But how do you do that effectively? Let's tackle one of the biggest pitfalls right away. Literally writing down everything that is said is pointless. You may feel in control because you've recorded everything on paper, but have you understood and remembered it? And what do you do with those notes? We will show you how it's done. Here we go. Divide your piece of paper or document into 3 panes. During your lecture, you take notes on the right. Use keywords, short sentences, or make small drawings. Right after your lecture, write down questions on the left-hand side based on your notes that cover the subject matter well. With these questions, you can later dive into your books or articles in a more targeted way, or quiz yourself. Let it settle, and the following day, make a summary of a few sentences. If you are studying for an exam, it's smart to quiz yourself weekly. Cover the right-hand side and try to answer your own questions. That way you'll find out what you do and don't know. And each time you answer a question correctly, it will become easier the next time. This approach provides more focus, structure, and helps you to actively process the content. No more cramped fingers, and really useful notes.